In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create workflow automations in Asana. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First, open your project in Asana. Once you're inside, take a glance at the top navigation bar. You'll notice several view tabs that help you manage your project more easily. Right next to these view tabs, you'll see a plus icon. Go ahead and click on that icon. This will give you access to a menu where you'll have the option to add a new workflow tab. From the menu, select the workflow option. This is where all the magic happens. Now that you have your new workflow tab created, click on it. This will reveal your project sections along with various automation options. Here's where you can start setting up your automations for your tasks. Next, choose a specific project section where you want to add a new automation trigger. This could be a section for tasks that are ready for review, or perhaps one for completed tasks. Whatever the case, identify the area that will benefit most from automation. Once you've chosen your section, it's time to define what action should happen automatically when a task moves into that designated section. This could involve notifying a team member, changing the task's priority, or updating its status. Think about the workflow of your team and how automating these actions could simplify your process. Now let's set up automatic task assignments. This feature is fantastic because it saves a lot of manual coordination time. You can designate specific team members to be automatically assigned tasks as they transition into certain sections. For instance, if you're moving a task to the In Progress section, it might make sense for it to automatically assign to the person who is responsible for that task. Next up is configuring custom field values or connecting any external apps you might be using. This is especially useful if you have integrated tools that work alongside Asana. For example, setting a custom field value can trigger an update or alert in another application when a task transitions. As you set this up, don't forget to establish precise triggers. This means outlining the specific conditions that must be met for tasks to move between sections. For instance, you may want a task to move to completed only if all subtasks are marked as done. This way, you ensure that nothing slips through the cracks. After you've set everything up, review your automated workflow. This is a crucial step. You'll want to ensure that tasks are moving smoothly through the workflow without needing any manual intervention. Take a moment to walk through a few hypothetical scenarios to see how everything functions. Finally, you're done. Once you've verified that all your automations are working as intended, check your results now. And that's it. You've successfully created workflow automations in Asana. With these automations in place, you're going to find that your project management becomes much more efficient, and you'll free up valuable time to focus on other important tasks. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and like the video if you found this helpful. Happy